Good morning, Stampin' Crew. How y'all be? Hey, I am here to do a video on our this month's Paper Pumpkin pop-up cards. I've already did a couple, and I'll show you one of them that I did. These are so cute and so much fun to make. And like I said, my lighting just kind of bites back here today. I don't understand it. So I'm going to try to fix it. There we go. That'll just have to work, guys. I am going to use, I think I like the, ooh, wait a minute. Okay. I think I'm going to use another one of the polka dots because I really like it. What did I put in there? Those are envelopes. And I'm going to use, I think this one here, probably some candles, maybe, don't know. So many different things you can do with this card. I know I have other embellishments, if I can find them all. Let's see, where are they all at? I don't know. Oh, they're right here on my desk. Okay, so I'm going to use candles. I'm going to use this one here. And let's set these aside here. I'm going to use one of these banners. And I think these numbers here. Okay. So let's go ahead and make this pop-up card. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and do your folding on the score lines of your little pop-up insert. So, and the best way I have found to do this is do it from the back side here for the score lines, because you can see them better. It's just white, it's not pattern. So, and it just, like I said, just makes it easy. You just press, my hands will work like this. These kits are awesome, you guys. What a great way to build your stash. And just to have, you know, just an easy way to make these cards. And honestly, I mean, 20 bucks a month is like crazy. So I think I'm not going to put this down yet. I'm just looking at the moment. Just looking. I want to make sure that okay. So let's go ahead and fold this. I'm going to go ahead and add the candles in my card. So the candles are already, they already have your score tape on it. So all you gotta do is just pop them off. And then just line them up on the inside here. And stick them down. And try not to, there we go. Like that. Really easy. I mean, this is crazy how simple they have made these cards for everybody to do. Oops, tearing it up, you guys, tearing it up. And I said this year I need to make more cards, but I just can't. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with me. But this kit sure has inspired me and encouraged me to definitely do that, to make more cards. You know, it's good to have cards on hand for all occasions. And, you know, this is just, these kits are perfect for that because you have everything already for these kits, for these cards. Anyway, I am not talking straight today, guys. It's been a, how do I put it? an exhausting week, and it's getting even worse. Our town is flooding. A lot of people are losing homes and all of their belongings, and I feel so bad for them. I really do. So I ask that you guys please keep not only my town in your prayers, but everyone that is affected by the flooding. It's just, it's heart-wrenching. It is. It's very heart-wrenching. Okay, so, I am going to do, oh my goodness. Let's see. Oh, here it is. I think I'm going to put, let's do 10th birthday. Or the first birthday. I don't know. I don't know how I want to do this. You can make these up as you go. Or you can just, like, whatever. And I don't know. I'm thinking out loud and it's not sounding right. Go me, right? So let's use this one. I'm going to go ahead and do my happy birthday. I'm going to go ahead and stamp it on my card, on my little piece here. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm using our Poppy Parade. It is one of our new colors with Stampin' Up. And it's, I really like it. I wasn't for sure if I would, but I do. I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah, I'm changing my card up a little bit. I didn't want, it just wasn't working for me the other way with what I want to do. So I'm using my beading mat. I have a stamp, a thing to stamp to help get the good impression of your stamp, like that. My stamping pad squashy thing, you guys know. And I left it in the other room. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do 10th birthday. It just, I don't know, 10 just sounds good to me. So I'm going to take my numbers here, and I'm going to pop them up with our dimensionals as soon as I discover what I did with those. And they're probably sitting here on my desk. They are. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these numbers up with the dimensionals. Yeah, we are flooding bad here. It is crazy. We haven't had flooding this bad since '93. And it just breaks my heart that so many of my hometown community is losing everything. And we're not the only ones. Everyone, most of the Midwest is going through this. And I feel so bad. And I pray for them. And I pray for their safety. And just hope that this ends soon and without fatalities. It's just heartbreaking. Alright, so I'm popping my numbers up on this card. There we go. I can't seem to get my hands to work. Alright. So we're just going to do 10. And then we are going to take... I have no idea what that is and why that's there, but okay. I'm going to use one of the little red striped pieces, and I think I'm just going to put it here, but I want to... I don't think I have scissors back here. Oh, I do. I have my little tricky box, so I can make this here into a page flag. I think that will look good. So how I do that is I'm just going to snip up the middle, and then I'm going to cut it from the corner to my little cut there. It's the easiest way to make these. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to add some score tape. Just a little piece. You can cut this score tape or you can tear it. Either way, it works just as good. Pop that off, and I'm going to go ahead and lay this on my card right about here. And then this is going to go over the top of it like that. Now you can pop this up or you can just have it flat. I like popping things up off the card, so I'm going to use my mini dimensionals and put one in each corner like so. I'm trying to learn that I don't need to put oodles of these dimensionals on here, and you know that's hard because I'm about making everything secure and just kind of even, and it's crazy. It's an addiction. So there is the front of our card. Cute, right? So we have this one, and I want to put I was going to do a sentiment, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just going to add some confetti and ribbons and stuff with one of our stamps. And I'm going to pull in my beading mat again for this, because I want to make sure this gets on here good. And then I'm just going to stamp it. Cute. I love that. I love the stamps. And this is going to make an awesome background. You guys know how I feel about my backgrounds. Just like that. Cute. Alright, so there's the inside of my card. I'm not adding too much to it. We have our sentiment on the outside. You can write a little message in here if you want to. That's up to you. So I'm going to take some of my score tape, or whatever you want to call it, and I'm just going to put some on the inside here. I'm not going to use a whole lot, guys. I don't think, you know, you need to use a whole lot for this. There may be some that not agree with me. That's okay. To each their own. That's what I say. No right or wrong to do this. Alright. So, take off your backing from your tape. Stick your fingers to the tape, because that is what awesome people do. Now, I'm going to turn my card around because I want to make sure I have this lined up right. And I do. And there you go. Simple as that. So you fold your card, or not, because this does not want to stay. There we go. So you take, I'm going to fold my card in half, and then when you open it, try to fix that. There we go. When you open it, you have your pop-up card. How pretty. And you already have your envelopes with these. So there is that one I made. Here is the one I made this morning. One of them. And then my other one is around here somewhere. Where'd it go? Here it is. And here's the other one that I made. And it just says happy birthday. And you open it and you have the gifts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you are interested in the paper pumpkin, please go over to my link to my webpage. Grab you up one of these kits. Every month they're different. You're always going to be surprised, and I think pleased with these kits. They are so much fun, and the alternate way to use these things is just limitless, I guess is the word I'm looking for. So thank you guys. I hope you all have a great day, and I will leave you guys as I always do with a goodbye, a God bless, and I'll see you again soon.